namin ayun yung pinaka-memorable sa akin kasi after 7 long years, nabalik na namin yung Corona sa top.
Now, what can they expect from you this next season, 87?
Siguro yung pagiging leadership po siguro. It's my 4th year na rin. So, magiging vocal na sa team. Ito-try namin na i-depend yung Corona sa top.
Yes, thank you, CJ. Maybe one last interview before we head on to Coach. So one last, anyone you want to... Josh. Okay, hi Josh. So how does it feel to be a champion?
Sobrang saya lang kasi nakuha namin after 7 years. So, masaya lang na mabalik sa top.
Okay, and favorite memory from this season?
Yung championship.
Short and sweet. Thank you, Josh. Okay, now of course, Coach Topex also has a message for the Lasallian community. So let's give it up for Coach Topex.
First, I just want to thank everyone that came out today. I know your schedules are busy, but maraming salamat po sa oras na binigay niyo po para sa amin. Brother Bernie, maraming salamat po for leading us and always guiding us throughout our journey. And we couldn't have done it without you. And the whole community po, maraming salamat. It's always nice to see, you guys supporting us. And I'll never forget po that day before our game 3, I left po ng dorm ng around 3 in the morning. Paglabas ko po ng parking, sabi ko parang may enrollment yata. Kasi ang haba po ng pila sa labas ng dorm namin. And then sabi po ng guard, Coach, 12 o'clock pa po sila na dyan. Sabi nga, pumipila para 12 o'clock ng madaling araw para po pumila just to get a single ticket. And that's what I told the team when we practice at Araneta, that we are not just doing it for us, for ourselves, for our families, but also for all the people that believed in us. So maraming salamat po sa inyo and mabuhay po kayong lahat. Merry Christmas po at Animo Lasal.
Hey, thank you, Coach. And I would like to ask you personally, if you could give your team and the rest of the people here maybe a few words or a sentence of inspiration, what would it be?
Gusto niyo ako magsalita? Matagal ako magsalita. Sawa na to sa mga sinasabi ko eh. But 28 years ago po, pag dumadaan po ako dito papunta ng Rizal Memorial, well, every time I look at this school, sabi ko po sana dito ako maglaro. Because back then I was playing for San Sebastian and we always play at the Rizal Memorial Coliseum. Every time po na dumadaan yung bus namin coming from Recto going to Rizal Memorial, palagi ko pong tinitingnan ng De La Salle. Wala pa po ito yatang building na to, but it was all just field here in front. Sorry sa mga bata. I'm sure maraming makaka-relate. Pinapangarap ko po talaga na makapaglaro dito sa DLSU because growing up, I idolized sila Jonathan Cardel, sila Tony Boy Espinosa, sila Adriano Papa III, and I was really a big fan of DLSU. Kaya po ganun po nagsimula yung journey ko. Every time po I watch DLSU play, paglabas ko po ng court, I'm sure the other players could relate to me na pag tumitira ka, sinasabi mo yung pangalan ng idol mo. And I always remember, I always say the words of Jun Limpot, and Adi Papa, Jonathan Cardel. And I couldn't believe now na nandito na po ako. And I'll never forget din po,